everyone. So today I will discuss to you on how to do an Amazon test. After Suffrage and Santosh reviewed the potential order review sheet, we can see that there is already quantity put in every item that we like. So we can now proceed to create uh, the ACE order form. So we say the ACE order form is the form that will be submitted to ACE when we want to purchase these particular items under a specific brand. So I have put this information. Just this information comes from the sheet. So once I already finished everything, put this information to this form. So let's take a look if these products are good to sell in Amazon, or if there is no error if we upload this product in Amazon. So let's go to the sheet for the Amazon test. So what information we needed for the Amazon test? We need the SKU, the product ID, the product ID type, the price, the item condition, add delete, fulfillment center ID, and the product tax code. So these are already default information: the product ID type, the condition, this add delete column, the fulfillment center ID, and the product tax codes. So what do we need to put here from the ACE order form sheet is the ASIN. So for the under the SKU, we just have to put here the ASIN, as well as here in the product ID column. So for the price, we have to take a look on the buy box price. So let's take a look what's the buy box price. So for this brand, these are the current sale price or the current buy box price. So you just have to copy paste it, copy and paste. So we just have to leave all formatting. Okay, so once we already have all the information, you just have to save. So you have two types of file that you need for Amazon test. You just need the Excel file. At the same time, you need the text file. So the text file is needed to be uploaded on the Amazon Central. So let's go to Save As, More Options, and choose text. So save. I think I already made before an Amazon test for this brand, so just have to replace it. Okay. And after we already have the text file, we can now proceed to the Seller Central. So let's go to inventory, then add product via upload. Then choose check and upload your inventory file. And please take note, go to step 2, upload file. You don't need to go to the step 1, just have to go to the step 2, upload file. And you have to choose the file here, Amazon test. And we already uploaded the text file. Then for your email address, just have to upload. So once we upload, we just have to wait that the processing will be finished. and we will observe if all items are good, if there are no error when we upload the text file. So just like for example for this type of text file, you can see that there is no error, meaning the processing is already successful. So that's all for Amazon test, and thank you.